doing some questions here which involve the stock market. First says that a 5% dividend is paid on a share worth $12.60. We need to know how much is paid to an investor who's got 300 shares. Well, first of all, we have to work out how much dividend is paid per share. So we'll work out the dividend per share. It's a 5% dividend, so that means it's 5% of $12.60. And you can check this on your calculator. 5%, 5 divided by 100 times by $12.60 is 63 cents is the dividend paid per share. Now this investor has 300 shares, so he'll get 300 lots of 63 cents. It works out to be a total of $189. Next question says that an annual dividend of 10 cents is paid to Resource Corp shareholders. We need to find the dividend paid to a shareholder who's got 5,000 shares. Well, that's 10 cents per share, so the total dividend this person will get, it will be 5,000 lots of 10 cents. Now be careful with the way that you write that. If I write this here, I'm writing it in dollars, so that means my answer will be in dollars. When I calculate it out, it'll come to $500. Next thing that we're asked to do is work out a dividend yield. That's the first of these definitions that we meet. Now the dividend yield is the annual dividend per share divided by the market value of the share expressed as a percentage. So to work it out, the annual dividend per share, it was a 10-cent dividend, divided by the market value of the share, they're worth $3.15, and divide out, that would be as a decimal, then multiply it by 100% to express it as a percentage. If you do that, 0.10 divided by 3.15 times 100%, you should get 3.17% is the dividend yield. The next question asks us to compare three companies based on dividend yield. So what we have to do is work out the dividend yield for each of them. So for Lancelot, it's going to be the dividend divided by the market value expressed as a percentage. 0.38 divided by $8.20 times 100%. You can do the calculations as you wish. 4.63%. For global car rentals, it's going to be 0.25, 25 cents with the annual dividend, divided by the value of the shares, $4.30, times 100%, works out to be 6.51%. And for Austral Law Crest, it's a 12-cent dividend divided by the value of $2.15 is the value of the share expressed as a percentage. On the calculator, that's 12 cents divided by $2.15 times 100% works out to be 5.58%. I'll write those results up here. Which is best? Well, when we're talking about dividend yield, bigger is better, because what it means is you're getting a large dividend for the price of the share. The one which gives the best is Global Car Rentals. This is the best based on dividend yield. Now there's one more question to do, and it refers us back over the page to this newspaper clipping where we've got the different stock market results. You can see that both the dividend yield and the price earnings ratio are recorded here. Now, if you want to compare them based on dividend yield, remember bigger is better. It means that you're getting a large dividend for the price of the share. The biggest dividend yield is this one here. Well, out of these 5 or 6 companies. So that means Abacus Proprietary is best based on dividend yield. If we're going to base it on price earnings ratio, then small is best, because what it means is that it's got a small price for what it's earning the company. And here, if you look at it here, the smallest is this one here, Aviation Services. Okay, that should get you started with some of these stock market calculations. See how you go with some of the questions at the back.